Better plumbing for a better planet. It's Rob West Plumbing. They are environmentally responsible because it matters. They offer quality because it counts. They can help with camera-assisted rodding, preventative flood control systems, installation of new plumbing fixtures, water heater repair, service and installation, hydrojetting, sump pump maintenance, grease trap maintenance, waterproofing and sealing, and so much more. They can help with whatever commercial, residential, or institutional project you have. For more information, call them or visit them online.
Want to work with the best? Call Rob West.